INOD stock analysis, super interesting. In this 1 minute video, I'm answering whether this is a buy or not for me, so let's talk about it. With Innodata stock, I mean, I see a brief 15% correction. This is not the worst thing ever, not the best thing ever, but ultimately, without the price actually, let's pull down. Yeah, we had a pretty big correction, but if it doesn't have confirmation, I'm not taking it up, and I'm going to explain what this means. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all, and you can see even in the Discord, I have receipts of INOD. Like, it's taken me 5 years to come to this point. Like, literally tens of thousands of courses, mentors, dollars on courses and mentors. And because we're kind of filling in a gap, when we open up on Monday, the only thing that I'll be waiting for is this confirmation. And if it doesn't quite happen, Mr. Sicko is not going to quite buy. Now, I don't know about you, so I'm not saying go ahead and buy, you buy, right? I'm not saying that. Well, what I'm saying is that if there's no confirmation, I'm not getting involved myself. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.